Hello my friend! Welcome to my channel. Tara, time travel tayo. Ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon ay ang mga sikat na patalastas noon, ngunit banyaga ang mga aktor o modelo. Umpisa natin sa isang Amerikano na naging tanyag sa kanyang kampanyang two-fluoride system. Kung maalala rin, ang Crest toothpaste na nilabas ng Procter & Gamble pa ang matinding kalaban nilang brand noon. So, without further ado, I would like to introduce to you si Eric Baines. Eric Baines! Si Eric Baines!
Look who's here!
Eric Baines! Eric Baines!
Hi, kids. I've got news for you. With Colgate's 2 fluorides, we're coming closer and closer to giving you and your moms what you've always wanted. Zero tooth decay. Isn't that what you've always wanted?
Yes, sir!
A clinical test on hundreds of children like you proved that with 2 fluorides, Colgate is better at reducing tooth decay than our 1 fluoride. Imagine this chalk as your tooth, and these the 2 fluorides. The first fluoride penetrates the tooth for long-lasting protection. The second fluoride adds extra protection against tooth decay. See? Now Colgate protects your teeth more effectively inside and outside. And that means less tooth decay for you and you and you.
Yay!
Colgate works harder for zero tooth decay.
Class is coming!
It's Eric Baines! Eric Baines!
And do you know that with 2 fluorides, Colgate gives you extra protection against tooth decay?
Extra protection?
I'll show you. Imagine this chalk as your tooth, and these the 2 fluorides. The first fluoride penetrates the tooth for long-lasting protection. But look, Colgate has a second fluoride for extra protection against tooth decay. See?
Ah!
Now, Colgate protects your teeth more effectively inside and outside for extra protection against tooth decay.
2 fluorides are better than 1?
With 2 fluorides, you get extra protection. And for boys and girls like you, that's extra protection against tooth decay.
Yay!
Wala pa man akong sinasabi pero nakikita ko na sa iyong mga mata na alam mo to. Well, sa bagay, sino pa naman ang makakalimot sa babaeng ito?
I'm told the carpet of the future today, the trade of the professional. Anzahl, urethane Baines, encourage to match your style, to give your car the look of a winner. Anzahl, urethane Baines for your car.
Alam niyo rin ba na nagkaroon rin ng TVC ang local brand na to na mga foreigners ang mga aktor? Matindi talaga yata ang colonial mentality noon, ano? Ngayon, K-pop mentality na. Ang Gardenia ay isang Singaporean company, pero ang brand character nila ay isang American. Remember this guy? Ladies and gentlemen, it's an honor to introduce to you Mr. Eric Baines. KFC. I mean, si Uncle Slocum pala. Uncle Slocum.
I love Gardenia. I hunger for your taste so good.
The classic all-American recipe.
So fresh,
So good.
so soft,
So good.
tastes good. Gardenia bread.
Guaranteed fresh.
My, oh my, Gardenia. I love you oh so much, so good.
And real Sarap, kahit, walang palaman.
Nung sumikat ang TVC na to, di ba wala ka naman talagang pakialam sa brand? Kasi busy ka sa paggagaya mo sa plunge patalikod. Nako, maraming batang 90s ang sinaktan ng patalastas na to.
What about stopping here?
Take a break and get away.
I'm stopping.
Take the Nestea, Nestea plunge. Take the Nestea
Nestea iced tea, nothing else refreshes more.
Take the Nestea plunge.
Available in...
Heto naman, maraming batang 90s ang naloko ng patalastas na to. Nakakaloko dahil nung bata pa tayo, wala kang naintindihan sa sinasabi niya. Pero alam mo, na pineapple juice ang topic at nakakaloko sapagkat inakala nating lahat na siya isang banyaga.
Hello! Hope you like this face, because if you stay tuned, you'll learn from Mr. F. First, 2 letters and a number. 100% J. 100% F. Easy. 100% juice comes only from 100% fruits. It's the F factor, the fruit factor. It's why Del Monte is so good. Inside is pure pineapple with fantastic Del Monte fruit goodness. Who knows where other juices come from? But we all know who makes our fruit. Follow the facts on the F factor. It's fun, but Sarap too. Love the letter.
Heto. Paborito rin ng mga batang 90s. Itong mapapanood mo, my friend, ay mga patalastas na nagturo sa atin kung paano maging cool ang isang pasaway.
It doesn't matter what comes, fresh goes better in life. With Mentos fresh and full of life, nothing gets to you. Staying fresh, staying cool. With Mentos fresh and full of life, fresh goes better. Mentos fresh and fresh goes better with Mentos fresh and full of life.
Mentos, the fresh maker.
It doesn't matter what comes, fresh goes better in life. With Mentos fresh and full of life, nothing gets to you. Staying fresh, staying cool. With Mentos fresh and full of life, fresh goes better. Mentos fresh and fresh goes better with Mentos fresh and full of life.
Mentos, the fresh maker.
At kung pinag-uusapan na rin natin ang mga banyagang patalastas noon, di pwedeng mawala ang mga patalastas na produce ng pagoda. Mga Amerikanong nagtatagalog.
Mother, father, brother, sister, how do you brush your teeth? A family for everyone, make us healthy all the time. Family toothpaste, hindi lang pang pamilya, no pearly whiteys pa.
Toothpaste is a toothpaste that cares. So economical. With family toothpaste, brushing is never expensive.
Family toothpaste with extra fluoride protection fights cavities, freshens breath, cleans teeth.
Family toothpaste, hindi lang pang pamilya, pang pearly white teeth pa.
Nakakamiss ang mga ganong TV commercial, no? Yung kahit dayuhan pa sila, ay dala-dala nila ang bahagi ng buhay natin noon. I mean, yung nakakamiss sila kahit low resolution yung video, pero high resolution yung nostalgiang ibinibigay nila sa atin, di ba? Parang kagaya ng mga to.
When you need your breath to be fresh, chew Double Mint Gum. It contains natural mint. Its cool, fresh taste keeps your breath fresh naturally. Double Mint Gum.
This is David's choice. This is David's girlfriend's choice. This is David's girlfriend's dentist's choice. This is David's girlfriend's dentist's wife's choice. And this is David's girlfriend's dentist's wife's friend's choice. Now, this is David's girlfriend's dentist's wife's friend's neighbor's choice. Unfortunately, we don't have time to feature all those who choose Gilbis. No matter how many choices there are, it's still Gilbis by choice.
You can't resist food, but you want to be light and slim. You need Cancunis Herbal Slimming Tea to help keep your body slim and trim. So, start on a regimen of 1 cup of Cancunis Herbal Slimming Tea every evening to shape you up without sweating it out.
Ideal for men too.
How many zebras can you hide with a can of paint?
Other brands leave a thin coat, so you need more coats to cover more effectively. With Boyson's full-bodied paint, you cover more surfaces with less coats. Less coats, more savings. Boyson, for superior hiding ability. Only great ideas come from Boyson, #1 in quality.
Gary, it's time I taught you something every man should know. How to eat an Oreo cookie. Here's yours. Twist it off. Oh, you did it. Just give it a lick. Now let's dunk it, just like a professional basketball player. Now you just learn to tie your shoelaces and you'll be all set.
Only Oreo.
Ang sarap balikan ang nakaraan. Nakakarefresh ng puso't isipan. Tapos wala pang mali siya masyado ang mga Pinoy nun, di ba? Kaya pati brief may commercials din sa telebisyon.
When it comes to quality and comfort, color, styles, and fit, with over 50 styles, the bottom line is Jockey. There's nothing else like it. Just Jockey. Move up to greater heights in comfort and fashion. Into a for gentlemen of all ages. Warren brings you up there in comfort.
Warren, for your body. Nothing feels like Warren. Comfort down under.
Comfort for your body.
Warren, for your body.
What a feel.
It's Warren.
Warren briefs and undershirts. Comfort for your body.
Narito pa ang mga patalastas sa telebisyon noon, ngunit mga banyaga ang bida. Let the binge watch begin.
Okay, folks, please follow me. Be careful. This is the Parthenon. It was constructed over 1,000 years ago. It was built to last forever. But look at it now, unprotected against wear and tear. The Parthenon today is only a shadow of what it once was.
Hindi kasi sila nag-Boyson Permacoat eh.
100% acrylic Boyson Permacoat, made to last.
Another quality product from Boyson, the #1 paint.
My man, he'll find a better way of doing things, so I keep up with him, even with my choice of coffee. I switch to Great Taste.
Great taste.
You like it better than your powdered coffee.
Richer tasting. The way coffee should be.
The secret is in the Great Taste granules. Less than a teaspoon makes a rich cup.
Great taste coffee. Concentrated granules.
Great flavor.
Richer tasting the way coffee should be.
Have a break. Have a Kit Kat.
How's your headache, dear?
It's gone. Biogesic works. Biogesic has paracetamol, the world's safest pain reliever. Safe for those with peptic ulcer.
And for pregnant women, don't take risks.
Take Biogesic for headaches, fever, and flu.
Ciao Romano.
Ciao Maurizio.
Ciao Angelo.
Ciao Romano!
Siamo in ritardo oggi, eh?
Solo un combustible es permitido dentro de un Ferrari.
Today, there's one paint that stands out. Dutch Boy Nowcrete for concrete. Because Nowcrete is the paint that breathes. It has a special formulation that lets air in and moisture out. So, when it comes to concrete, Nowcrete, the paint that breathes. From Dutch Boy, the paint authority.
Dragon Man! Ang daming lamok!
Hipok sila ngayon sa Dragon Katol. Dragon Katol. Dragon kung umusok. Lamok siguradong hipok.
Alaska presents One-on-One.
Galing mo, man!
Wow! What's that, man? Alaska, man! Masarap? Yeah! Walang tatalo, wala pa rin tatalo sa Alaska.
Wow! Salamat at nandito ka pa rin, my friend. Siguro mahilig ka sa mga ganitong video, ano? Well, kung ganun ay, samahan mo ko palagi sa time traveling experience by clicking the subscribe button and the bell notification. Be a friend today. But if you are already a friend of this channel, maraming thank you sa pagsuporta. Okay, muli my friend, ako si Kuya Dalton, nagsasabing smile and always be a blessing to others. Bye-bye!